Hello, it's Debora Wayne, founder of the Biofield Healing Institute. And today's Ask Debora Anything is a very fascinating one. It comes from Holly, and she wrote in saying Holly had just been on listening to a free call, an interview where there was a demonstration session of the Biofield Healing Immersion method that I practice, as well as a lot of information I was sharing about the hidden reasons for pain and suffering. And she wrote in, Debora, thank you for today. I've had many physical problems over the years, but currently I'm struggling with a wrist surgery that I had 3 weeks ago. A lot came up for me today about fear and grief. My mom passed away a few months ago, and I know that my slow healing is connected to her passing and beliefs that I don't deserve to be happy and healthy. But I'm so fearful, and how do I relax and let the healing process go forward when it's hard for me to even look at my wrist and that everything I do makes it hurt? So here's what's so fascinating about this question, and thank you, Holly, for sending that in. We know that all physical pain is connected to emotions and thinking. That's why she discovered on the call that the interview that she listened to, that's what she meant when she said that she noticed fear and anxiety coming up, her grief and her fear coming up. This is what underlies physical pain. And yet what do? We typically focus on the wrist, on the pain, on the symptom. And we get obsessed with, how can I make that stop, make it go away? When if we were willing and had the tools to go deeper, to learn how to find and release the emotions and the thinking habits that are at the root of all of this pain, then the physical pain relaxes, releases, and the body goes back into a natural state of ease instead of dis-ease. And I see this again and again and again. It's so interesting with wrist pain, and that she mentioned her mother passing. I've seen this with many, many clients that I've worked with, where, think about it, what does the wrist and the hand do? It holds on or it lets go, right? It holds on or it lets go. And one client comes to mind who was literally lying on my table. I was working on them quietly, silently, and I didn't even know what had happened in her life. We had not discussed it. I was just working in the biofield around the body where I can find these disturbed patterns of information. This is vibrational information. I can actually feel it where there's disturbances in the field. And then I bring in a harmonious, a coherent vibration, which helps people shift back into a state of ease instead of dis-ease. So I'm working on this young girl, and all of a sudden I see her wrist start shaking right before my eyes, which is a common thing that will happen with Biofield Healing Immersion. People start to release the body, literally. Some people will flip and flop like a fish, and some people just twitch or shift around or squirm around. Not everyone, but a lot of people, there's movement in the body. So this girl starts releasing in her wrist. And I work on her, and she becomes very peaceful and calm. And at the end of the session, when I bring her out and I asked her some questions, what did you experience? She said, oh, Debora, it was really incredible. But a friend of mine, my best friend, died about 1.5 years ago. And when she died, I went into severe grief. And my father said to me, get over it, be a big girl, get over it, and get on with your life. So the girl I was working on, she reported, I just shoved my feelings down and pretended they weren't there. And I just went back to school. She was in college at the time, and just went back to pretending everything was fine when I didn't realize I was stuffing all the emotions, all the grief. And during the healing session that you just facilitated, I saw my best friend. And I realized, and I heard her voice say, it's time for you to let go of this pain. I'm okay, and it's time for you to let go. and release it and stop holding on to the pain. It's only harming you. She literally heard this inner guidance inside herself. Now, remember, I don't even know this situation has been going on. We haven't talked about it. We weren't analyzing the problem. I was just working in the biofield. And she was completely pain-free at the end of that session and was able to avoid carpal tunnel surgery, which is what they were proposing because nobody could find the source of her pain. And they decided, well, we'll just do surgery and that might help you. But maybe, you know, who knows if that would have relieved the pain or not. I've worked with a lot of people who have surgery and there's still pain afterwards. And what I've discovered in having thousands of conversations with people all over the world, it's just like Holly that's written the question here today. There's something emotionally and a mental thought habit that is actually the precursor and is contributing to the physical pain symptoms. And when we can go deeper into the hidden reasons and look at the thoughts and release the false beliefs and find the emotions that are stuck in the body, literally stuck, and release them, not just analyze them or talk about them or know that they're there, but release them through the method of Biofield Healing Immersion, then this pain finally is resolved. So we don't have to keep band-aiding the symptoms or learning to cope with the pain or pretending or denying or suppressing or repressing or trying to cut it out or living on drugs, even worse. It's a new solution. I realize this could sound outside, far-fetched, a little woo-woo to people, but it's all based on physics, on science. This is not just some make-believe, you know, that Deborah's making up here. This is based on physics and principles from quantum physics that explain how everything is energy, including your body, including your pain and your symptoms, including your thoughts and your emotions. And energy is all changeable. That's what's so exciting, is that energy changes constantly. So you don't have to be stuck with what's showing up in the physical. We need to shift it, release it, change the form of the energy to a higher vibration, to a higher state where there's ease instead of dis-ease. If you'd like to learn more about this and understand from a deeper level about the hidden reasons for all pain and suffering, and if you'd like to experience Biofield Healing Immersion for yourself, there's a link below with a teleseminar that it's totally free. I invite you to listen to that, and in it is a demonstration session of the Biofield Healing Immersion method. So for those of you that like to learn, you'll learn. For those of you that like to experience, you'll experience. Ideally, I hope you will do both so that your left brain is learning and your right brain is experiencing, and you're getting the total experience. And many people from just a little demonstration session, like you'll find in that MP3, have complete and total healing. So everything is possible. You just have to be willing and open to explore this. And it's, you know, I can't guarantee it. I don't make guarantees. I'm not a doctor. I'm not here to tell you what to do. You should, you know, medically, I don't give medical advice. You should definitely check with your healthcare practitioner and take responsibility for what is going to bring you the best results. You can do this along with anything else that you do that was given to you as medical advice. It's not an either or. But check out the link below. It will download to any device, and send me an email. Let me know what you experience. Ask me your questions. It's a delight and a thrill to share this 21st century tool that we have now that's becoming more and more known all over the world and in the area of biofield science, which backs it up with scientific proof. So check it out. It would be a pleasure to help you if you'd like my help further, and just reach out or send me your questions. And thank you for being here today. Take good care. Bye for now.